my friends and fans in Pakistan. I have some exciting news just for you. Very soon, inshallah. Lots of love from Turkey.
Selamünaleyküm Pakistan. Eyvallah.
The new face of Maria Bulon, Gulsim Ali.
Hello. Selamünaleyküm Pakistan. Welcome to Turkey, Maria.
Thank you, Gulsim. And this girl is so beautiful. उसका दिल इतना अच्छा है, आपको समझ नहीं आती मैं आपको कैसे बताऊं. Gulsim, you want to say something to your fans?
I want to say to everyone, hi. I'm so grateful to be here with you. And Pakistan, we will come. We love you. Thank you very much for your love. You love us and we love you.
We love you right back. And you'll
Thank
be seeing,
you.
yeah, and you'll be seeing us do a lot of things together. So keep watching this space.
I've never been to Pakistan, but I think
We
and
will
I
take you to
hope
Pakistan. Yeah!
now we finish it, and I want to thank you for everything. You are every time welcome to Turkey. We love you, really. Thank you to everyone, because I know you are so tired, and everything it's for me and for this beautiful woman and for this beautiful dress. I can show you now.
No.
It's surprise, but I love it, everything, and I hope one day I will come to Pakistan.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. And I will wearing like this style because I love it so much. You want to stand up? I'm like this.
Look, the best baklava in Turkey apparently, and the three of us are having it together. Mmm. So good.
So